What's going on, guys? Jay, that drain guy. As you guys can see, the laundry sink that's backing up. So I don't know yet if it's in the actual stack itself. We're gonna undo this coupling. So there's a coupling there. We're gonna undo this and obviously, I didn't bring up my flashlight because why would I? Okay, so it's definitely plugged. Down the stack. So we are gonna snake it out and get everything going. If you guys like these kind of videos, make sure to give it a thumbs up, leave a comment, and subscribe if you haven't. Okay. So, today we're going to be using the M12 with the drop head, right? This is a 5/16 cable. So, I already got it cleared. I'm actually going to turn off the cold water. So I'm going to turn the hot water on because I want to have a good cleaning for my cable. I'm going to keep putting the cable in. This is a 25-foot cable. You can see the dimple right there. That means we're basically all the way in. So we're gonna keep the water running. We are going to pull it out and see if we can pull anything back. Got a bunch of lint and stuff like that, but this is picking up the laundry, right? So you're definitely gonna have that lint. You can shut that down. And this is also picking up the kitchen sink upstairs, right? Gloves already broke. These are the 5mm gloves from Watson. These are the Grease Monkey. I like them because you got more dexterity in your fingers. It almost feels like you're not wearing nothing in a sense. But the one thing about these, they will rip easily. But I'm also like touching sharp copper, right? This thing can grab onto you, right? So these gloves are good if you wanted something more heavy duty. You could go with the 8mm. They're the yellow box of Grease Monkeys. Those are good gloves. Obviously, you guys know I love the Watson hand jobs. Always makes me laugh. All right. And Watson, you guys know where I'm at. If you guys ever wanted to sponsor a video or anything like that. So, you guys can see, right? So I don't see a garbage down here, so we take it with us. So, just got to do up the bands. And that's it. Alright guys, I want to thank you for watching. I really do appreciate it. If you guys liked the video, like I said, give it a thumbs up, leave a comment, and subscribe if you haven't. And go check out Watson gloves, right? They're good gloves. These ones are thin, but these are the ones I like. I go through one pair of these per job, sometimes two, but it's my choice to use these ones because you get more dexterity in the fingers, right? You always can use the 8mm. I don't really like them myself, just for the fact that how thick they are. They're a good thick glove, right? I'm not a fan of them. I like the 5mm. And yeah, thanks for watching guys. I really do appreciate it. Until next time, this has been Jay, that Drain Guy, signing out. Ta-ra now.